right, let's do a quick review of what we started last week before we start today's lesson. Last week we talked, you can use a pencil if you don't want to use your pen, that's fine. Last week we talked about adding, okay, then it's probably not the right thing. You're going to need to go sit down, okay? We're doing our math right now. All right, so we talked about taking a math problem that was horizontal, meaning it was sideways, like this. Let's see, 66 plus, and let's say plus 25. And this was a math problem written horizontal, and we're going to switch it to be written vertically. That means up and down. So I'm going to take 66 and put it on top. And now I'm going to write 25 underneath it. Now the 2 is in the tens place and the 5 is in the ones place. So I have to line them up underneath the 6 in the tens place and this 6 in the ones place. Okay, so this 5 goes under here and this 2 goes under here. Add my plus and add my equal sign. Now I wrote my problem vertically. Okay, we have to be able to write these vertically, and we have to understand how we put the tens place numbers on top of each other and the ones place numbers on top of each other. All right, and then we learned a strategy. We call these the T chart or the place value chart. And I put the T and the O because the T stands for the what? What does the T stand for, Samuel? Tens, and the O stands for, Mason? 1. So the first number that I'm going to draw in my T chart, or my place value chart, is the number 66. How many tens are in 66? Riker?
6.
There are 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many ones are in 66? Elise? 6. All right. Does my picture show 66? Yes. Now I'm going to draw my 25. And I'm going to draw it a little bit below so that I can see that my 66 is separate from the 25. How many tens are in 25? Roman? 2. And how many ones are in 25? Sebastian? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I have drawn all of the numbers I'm adding. Now I'm going to take my ones. I have 6 up top and 5 below. Look, it matches my vertical written addition problem. 6 on top, 5 below. Let's add them together. Add them up on your paper. What do you get? What do you get if you put 6 and 5 together? Hannah? 11. Are we allowed to have 11 in one place value? No. What is the biggest number we're allowed to have in one spot? Bobby? The biggest number is 9. Once we go above 9, we have to take how many? Elizabeth?
10.
Yes. I have to take 10. I can't just take the extras. I can't just leave 9 and take the extras. That does not work. I have to bundle up 10. So let's count up 10. I've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Circle them up, bundle them up, and I'm going to take them where? Where am I going to take them? Noah?
To the tens place.
Yep. What do we sing? Moving on up to the tens place. All right, so we moved all of these 10. Got turned into a 110 in the tens place. But that 110 still equals 10. This is 10 and this is 10. It's just written differently. So how many are left over in the ones place now? Claire?
1.
Just 1. I leave a little 1 down there. All right. Are we done in the ones place?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's move over to the tens place. Ready? how many I had? 6. I have 2, and I have the little one that I just brought over. We can't forget that little guy. How many are in the tens place? Kendall? 9. Are we allowed to have 9?
Yes.
Good deal. We just get to write a 9. We don't have to do any bundling up or moving next door or anything. So my total is 91. But let's double check that we get 91 over here. Now vertically, we do exactly what we just did over here. What is 6 plus 5? Noah? 11. 11, I'm just writing it so you can see it. 11 cannot just go under here. Because we talked about this, only 9. 9 is the biggest number we can have in one spot. So we need to take the 10, see how there's 110? And where are we going to put that 110? Roman?
Put it next door to the tens place.
Yeah, because 10s belong in the tens place, right? This is 110. We're going to put it right up above. And then when I take that 110 and put it up in the tens place, I'm still left with how many ones? How many ones are left over, Fiona?
1.
Just 1. Put that little 1 down there. So if I look at this, I have a 1 up here and a 1 down here. It's like I took this number and I said, woo, you go up there and you go down here. It will always be like that. If you get an answer that has 2 digits, the digit in the tens place will always go up and over. The digit in the ones place will always go down into the answer. All right, and now I'm going to go to the tens place. I have a 6, a 2, and don't forget to add this 1. What is 6 plus 2 plus 1? Read. What was it? 9. Sorry, I didn't hear you. We got a 9. 91 and 91. Do they match? They sure do. So my answer is probably pretty safe to put up top in the answer spot saying it's 91. All right. Okay, so today, go ahead and shut your notebook. Whoa. What do you notice different today?
Oh. It's worse.